Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Honorable Chief Guest, respected special guest and teachers and by audience, dear student, at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As I have gotten a chance of delivering a speech on the meeting is a great pleasure for me. Take my heartiest love. Today I would like to make a short speech on Eid Miladun Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Eid Miladun Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is a red letter day for Muslim Ummah. It is a day when our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam come to this world. It is 12 Rabiul Awal 5070 AD. In this day, the orphan prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the Lord of hair and heart, after come to this universe with the light of heaven as the lake of Amina. This day is an Eid because not only human being but also all creations of Allah became happy at the birth of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So it is our duty to celebrate joyfully. I am very grateful to you for giving time to listen me. Thank you very much.